in this video, I'm going to be showing you an AI tool you can use to reduce a very large size video to a very small size video without losing quality. Okay, so there are different tools for reducing the size of videos, but now the unique thing about this particular AI tool is that after reducing the size of the video, you won't lose the quality. Like if you compare the quality of the very large size video and the small size video that it produced, you won't notice any difference in the quality. Like that's the interesting thing about this particular AI tool. This is amazing. So I'll show you how to achieve this using these two videos as example. So first of all, let's take a look at the size of the video so you know what it is. Okay, so now this is it. You can see the size is 295 MB. That's for this first video, AI tools for web dev large.mp4. You can see the size is 295 MB, and that's very large. Of course, you want to upload it, or if you want to save it even in your phone, it's quite large. That's the first video we are going to be reducing. Okay, let's see the size of the second video. This is our size of the second video, 46 MB. So we're going to be reducing this as well. This first one is 295 MB. Now the second one is 46 MB. So I'm going to be reducing the size of these two videos. Okay, so you see how it works. Now this particular AI tool is a mobile app. But before I introduce the tool, let's even take a look at the quality of this video so you can see before and after, right? So now I'll be opening the video so you can see the quality of the video. Okay, so look at the video, right? So you can see the quality of video. I'm not playing the video, I just want to show you the quality so you can compare it before and after reducing the size. Now look at the quality, you can see it. Okay, look at the quality of the video. Okay, this is a training video that was done recently, and the size was very large, right? 295 MB. Okay, so I use it to reduce the size and the quality remain the same. So this is it. Okay, so you can see the quality of the video, right? Okay, so this is the first one. Now I'll also show you the second video so you can also see the quality of the second video. Okay, so this is the second video and you can see the quality of the second video as well. Look at that. So this is the quality of the second video. Okay, so you can see how it looks, right? So you can now compare this with the reduced size so you know there's no difference. But just before I introduce the app, I want to let you know not to skip to go test the app at this point. Why? Because there are some key things I'm going to be showing you how to use the app, of which will help you to get the best results. What you want is for your very large video size to be reduced without losing quality, not just using the app. Okay, there's a way you use it, you might not get the best results. So as I'm to introduce the app right now, don't just skip to go test. Okay, go down. So I'll show you the key things to do for it to get the best results. All right, okay, so I'm going to be introducing the app right now. This particular app is called Video Converter Compressor, as you can see the icon on this particular screen. Okay, now this app was done by Inverse AI, and Inverse AI is the AI tech company that builds this particular app, and they have other products as well which you can check out. So this particular product we're using, you know, for this reducing a very large size video out to very small size. Okay, so this video converter and compressor is available for both iOS and Android users. You can see that you can get it on Nextdoor. You can also get it on App Store. So I also show you the app on App Store and on Play Store, so you can also confirm from your end so you can get the exact app for this. So this is the name of the video converter and compressor. You can see it, and this is the app icon. Okay, right? So I will also drop the link in our community or in the description of this video, so you can also follow the link to get it. And then this is it on App Store for those using iPhone, and this is also the app on Play Store for those that are using Android. Okay, so you can see is by Inverse AI. Okay, Inverse AI, make sure that it's by Inverse AI. That's the developer name is Inverse AI. Okay, so this app on App Store as well. So this is it, the developer Inverse AI. So make sure that it's by Inverse AI. So this Inverse AI is the developer of this particular app. Okay, that's the Inverse AI is the AI tech company that developed this mobile app. Okay, so this is the app video converter compressor on Android Inverse AI. Okay, so you will follow or the link should will be on the description of the video. You can follow the link to get this app, or you can also get it in our community. This is the app on my phone, as you can see on the screen. I'm projecting my phone screen on my laptop so you can see the screen. When you open the app, you'll see this as the first screen. You see convert or compress, and then all these other options, will be listed on the first screen. Okay, like I said, I was going to show you some key things, right, that will help you to get the best result. Now, also, we just want to rush and do is you just come here and click on convert or compress. But you don't need to click on this convert or compress. You don't need to click here. You don't need to go there. Why? Because you might not get the best results following this method. I'm going to show you the method that will give you the best results. But let's even check it out so you know why I said you shouldn't go in it. When you click on this convert or compress, it will bring out the video for you to select. So you select the video you want to convert or compress. This now I want to show why I say you should not follow the convert or compress. I will show you. When you click here and go to next, it will now bring out the option of for you to convert or compress. Okay, so now in this case it will show you compress as an option to select. So the reason why I say you shouldn't follow here is that when you click on this compress, right, it will bring out options for you to select the high quality video bitrate, audio bitrate, and you can see the estimated output size 195.54 MB. And this is still very large. If you want high quality and you click on this high quality, you can see it's asking that you should upgrade and or you watch an ad. Okay, so in this particular video, we're using the free version. So I want you to know the experience just for a start, but you can always upgrade if you want to upgrade. But these are part of the limitations you get to face if you try to get high quality using the first option to convert or compress. Okay, so that's why I say you shouldn't use this method. It's not going to give you the best results. But use the method I'm going to show you right now. That's how you're going to get the best result for a start. But you can always use to upgrade and still try out this. But even if you use this, you can see the video size is still very large compared to the option I'm going to show you now. How the size will be reduced compared to that one. This one is still even large. Okay, so let's go back. Like I said, don't use this method. Let's go back. So now here is the key. Like I said, I was going to show you some keys, right, that will help you to get the best result. Every other thing you do here, you can see this video cutter, video merger, or video to audio, audio converter, audio cutter, audio merge. Every other thing you do here will reduce the size of the video or audio file without the quality dropping. Any other thing you do here will reduce the size. So instead of you going through this option, this is what to use. These are the options to use. And the size will reduce drastically and you won't lose the quality. Now that's the amazing thing about this particular tool. So for this video, we can choose to use video cutter since it's just one video, right? So now you might ask, why use video cutter? Okay, because you don't want to cut the video. That's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you what to do. So you get the same video without cutting it, but the quality are reduced. So when you click on the video cutter, it will bring out the video of your video files, of course. Or you can also choose to search for the file, or you can even choose to select folder and open the particular folder the file is in. Okay, but your recent file will show. So now, if you click on this video of 1982 MB video, it will bring out the particular screen for you to begin to set the part you want to cut out. Now, here is the key. Instead of you selecting any part, just leave it exactly as it is, right? Don't even do anything, just leave the video as it is, since you just want to reduce size, don't want to cut. But if you want to cut, you can choose to slide this, right? If you want to cut, you can choose to slide this and reduce the part 1 to cut, or you can also choose to slide this way and get to the part you want to cut, or you can also use this edit option to edit the exact minute, start and end minutes, okay, you want to cut. But there's no need of touching any of this. Why? Because you just want to reduce the size. You don't want to cut. What you just want is to reduce size. So you don't even need to touch anything. Just leave it as it is. Now, if the original format of the video is MP4, you don't also need to touch anything, because we want the video to be in MP4 preferably. And your video itself should even be in MP4 before you start doing this. So the resolution as well, leave the resolution as it is, or you don't need to also change that. Then fast cuts, okay, don't click on this fast cut, leave it this way. Then remove selected, don't also click on it, leave it this way. This is why I said you shouldn't click on the fast cut, because if you click on fast cut, for instance, you see the warning, it says may produce audio sync issues for some files. So you don't want that, right? So avoid it. So don't even select the fast cut, leave it. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on save video. Like if you click on save video, it will bring out another option, default of fast conversion speed. Okay, if you select the fast conversion speed as you want it to come out very fast, there could also be an issue in quality. That's why I said follow these particular keys I'm going to give you, so you get the best result. If you click on fast, for instance, it shows increasing speed may cause few seconds freezing at the beginning. So you don't want to use this option. Why? Because you want to maintain quality. This particular tool is for someone that wants quality, right? So if you want quality, you have to be patient to use the default speed. So the default speed is slower in terms of processing the video, but this one is faster, but the slower has higher quality. You can see that software encoding and then slower but better quality. So this is what you want. This is what you want. You want better quality. So you can choose to edit the name on the file here and then click OK. So once you click on OK, the process of conversion starts. It will possibly show you an ad, okay, but please, if it shows an ad and covers this particular screen, close the ad and come back here. Ensure you keep this particular screen open like this, right? Keep it open for this compression, for this processing of video to be completed. Keep here open. In case an ad pops off, you close it and keep here open. Why? Because if this moves to the background, your phone might interrupt the process, so you don't want anything to interrupt the process. Okay, so you have to keep this particular screen open and monitor it to observe until it complete. So you can see the MB as the progress is going to be showing the MB. You can see it, right? So this is it. So the MP will be very small at the end compared to the original file size. This is amazing. The good thing is that the quality remains the same. The quality remains the same. I'm going to show you the final output compared with the original output. Okay, so the two videos have finished processing. I had to cut it because of the length of the video, not to be too long, right? So I've moved the two videos to my laptop, as you can see on the screen. So this is the first video size. AI tool for web dev large.mp4. Now you can see the size is 295 MB. Now this is the one that was cut. This one that was reduced using this guide tool. This is the one that was reduced using this guide tool. You can see the size 54 MB. Now you see that there's no difference in these two videos when I'm opening, and then this is the second one, which was 46.8 MB, and this one that was reduced 3 MB. Wow, look at that, from 46 to 3 MB, and there's no difference. The duration of the video is 17 minutes. Okay, now this is second one, and the duration is 17 minutes as well. You can see that, right? Still 17 minutes. Okay, but yes, this is 295. This is 295, and why did just be 12? Okay, let me open the two video side by side so you see that qualities them. So this is a large. Okay, so I'm going to open this right now on one side of the screen. Okay, you can see it, right? So I've opened this large video on one side. So let me now open. This is the reduced size. These are the two videos opened side by side on my screen. So you observe that there's no difference in the quality of the two. You can see the name of this first one, AI2 for Web Dev large.mp4. Now this is the reduced one, AI2 for Web Dev mini.mp4. Now look at that. We can see that this is large. Okay, now look at the one that is reduced. No difference. Look at this, no difference. Everything is exactly the same quality. Everything is exactly the same quality. You can see everything is exactly the same quality. Look at that. Everything is exactly the same quality. The large size, the small size does not have difference in quality. That's the amazing thing about this AI2. Okay, you can text it on your own end, and this also applies to the second one. I could also open it side by side and you also see the same thing. Amazing, this interesting. You can see the two qualities are the same. All right, so check that yourself, text the app, and get to express it yourself. Okay, so join our community, the Rich IT's community, to get more updates on various tools on creativity and positivity that help to scale up your results. There are more updates like this that you get when you join the community. You can follow the link on this video description to join our Rich IT's community.